The Antiquities Ministry of Egypt said Tuesday that 3 tombs dating back to the Ptolemaic-era were unearthed in the Upper East province of Minya. Head of the ministry's Antiquities sector said a mission from the ministry has found tombs in the southwest of Salomon City, some 241 kilometers from the capital. He said that the excavating team found 4 coffins for 2 men and 2 women in the first tomb, as well as 9 holes with remains of buried bodies. The second tomb has 2 burial chambers, and some wooden residues were unveiled during the excavation, while the cleaning in the third tomb hasn't finished yet. According to the official, the excavation in Salomon started in May, and the newly discovered tombs will uncover more information about Ptolemaic era starting from 332 BC.